My name is Carsten Koch, and I'm the lead electrical engineer here at ATN in wonderful Chattanooga.
My name is Thomas Brandler, Chief Operating Officer of ATN United States, and we're at the ATN Chattanooga facility right now. ATN Hölzel is one of the leading suppliers in automotive industry's final assembly automation equipment. We have been founded in 1999 in Germany, and since we have expanded, I think, beginning in 2010, going to China, Spain, Brazil, United States. The United States facility is the second largest in the world.
ATN is an automation company with the focus on glazing machinery, robot cells, specially made for the customer and according to the customer specifications.
For the US market, I think ATN stands out because we're not a simple, straightforward system integrator like all of our competitors. I think we're more vertically integrated. We have more in-house fabrication, in-house design, in-house programmers. We like to keep programmers and designers from the beginning to the end of the projects the same as much as we can, and scheduling allows for it, of course, but I think that is a great feature of ATN that we bring to the table. Our competitors, they like to bring in products that they purchase. They like to bring in engineering that they purchase from outside. They like to bring in programmers from outside. We have all that in-house, and especially on the gluing side, we have our own products as well. So that makes us more vertically integrated.
We always try to make our products better, more innovative, saving space, because space is a rare commodity, especially in automotive industries. We started working with the Phoenix Contact CAPAROC system for circuit breakers, because we were looking for something that makes our life easier with saves us time with wiring and also saving space in the cabinet. The normal approach with circuit breakers with auxiliary contacts involves a lot of wiring those auxiliary contacts back to a digital I/O module that probably will cost us a day and a half to wire up. With the CAPAROC system, we can just install it. It uses up way less space, and we only have to hook it up to 24 volts and a bus system. In our case, we can communicate to the system with Profinet or even with Ethernet IP, and we even get more information that we can display and monitor these values from those circuit breakers. Phoenix Contact provide us there with the quality that we need, especially for terminal blocks and also for the long life of power supplies. If you're looking for a high quality product that will always work for you, then Phoenix Contact, that is the way to go.
I think I see ATN expanding in the appliance industry. We have laid a good foundation in Germany in the R&D for pharma. So I think that we will also see a lot of pharma projects pop up later on. We're currently working with a potential customer in the solar industry. So where I see ATN is expanding in multiple different markets and segments of these markets, while still maintaining a specialization in the gluing equipment. Because all these industries need gluing, and I think gluing is kind of the future.